So I'm going to show you a really cool trick. So I have this nifty little thing here that I call a Cartesian diver and a candle. And so this thing works around the heat of a flame. So every time I get closer to the candle, watch as it just drops. And then it goes away. And it goes back to the top. Right next to this candle here. And it drops, leaving the candle, starts going back to the top. It's really cool. So what do you think's going on? Do you know what could be happening? Well, I guess I'll give up my secret. When I squeeze the bottle, the diver goes down to the bottom, but when I release it, it goes back up to the top. And it's all about density, and that's why this actually happens. It's not really magic, it's all just because I'm squeezing it. So while it's just sitting at the top without me squeezing it at all, the diver is less dense because it has air in it. And as I squeeze it, more water goes inside the diver, causing it to become denser than the water, which is why it drops to the bottom, as you can see here. And then when I release, that air pocket goes back into the diver, so it's less dense than the water, so it stays at the top. Density deals with the amount of stuff that's within a certain amount of space. So when the diver is at the top here, it's less dense, it has less mass in the same amount of space. And then once I squeeze it, there's more mass in it, there's more stuff, so the diver drops to the bottom. It causes it to sink since it is now more dense than the water that's in it. So top, less dense, bottom, more dense.